Hello, how are you? In today's video, we are going to be talking about how I made my first $1,000 using print on demand, specifically Printify. You guys know I talk about Printify a lot as I've been working with them, but this was almost 10 years ago, all right, that I moved from where I first started my t-shirt business, teespring.com, over to Printify, right? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how you are going to make your $1,000 within the next 30 days, okay? Because I can see that for you. And a lot of you, you share, you're like, I want to make 6 figures this year. I want to make $1 million this year, but you first got to make the 1,000, okay? And if you've already made 1,000 and you stuck and you like, now what do I do? Hopefully this video helps you to make your next $1,000, all right? But like I said, I started on Teespring. A lot of you have heard this story before. If you've been following me for a while, I did not have any money, so I was like, I gotta just figure something out. And Teespring was completely free for me to start, right? But I realized, and again, this was almost 10 years ago, that I did not have access to my customers. I could not email them. I couldn't text them to know what was coming. And that's how you really maximize in the t-shirt or e-commerce industry. You have to be able to communicate with your customers outside of social media, right? So I didn't have my customer data, so I was like, something got to change. So I started researching other options and Printify came up. And I was like, okay. I liked that they had printers that were in different areas. So there was like a network of printers. And I like the fact that I could, have a Shopify store, connect the Shopify to Printify, and then my customers will still receive merch from me, but they don't know where it's coming from, right? They have no idea. Teespring is a business, so Teespring was like, this is from Teespring, where using Printify, it's just coming from me, right? So it felt like a very professional upgrade. I jumped on Shopify. I started I created my store, and then I connected that to Printify, and I started integrating the designs that I had on Teespring into Printify. Okay, I want to show you exactly how to do this. So this is a little commercial break so you know how to get started right now with print on demand. All right, so this is printify.com. Go to the description and click my link to get started. Okay, mine says welcome back because I have an account. Yours is going to be brand new. This is my dashboard. This is what it will look like when you log in. I am not selling in Europe. If you are, go ahead and select yes. But I am not right now. We are just going to go find our hoodies because that is what helped me get to my first 1,000 super quick. And I am using a design that someone else designed for me. So I have a file. All right. Keep that in mind. You can also do this on Canva. You can get somebody to do it for you in Fiverr. You can do it yourself if you got some skills or you know somebody else with some skills, and then log into Printify with your file ready to go. All right. So I am just looking for the hoodie that I want. You already know it's Team Bella Canvas over here. So we are going to use this hoodie because I know that it is super soft and that it's premium, right? So I can get a really good profit out of this hoodie because I know that it is great quality. So I'm just looking to see kind of like the details of it. Make sure you do your research and you're really thorough to know what you and your customers are going to receive. And now, as you see, there's just the blank canvas. And that little thing that's like blinking, that is our design tool. So we're going to click on that. As you can see, you can design on the front and the back. All right, so I'm going to start with the front, and remember, this design I've had for like 9 years, so it's an old school one, but still good. And I had gray and black, which you will hear me talk about a little bit more in the video, but those were the two colors that were the best sellers. And when you see the design, you'll see kind of why black works. And so I am going to go ahead and grab my design. And as you can see, you just see the heart because the design is in white. So we're going to place that in to the design, and boom. Thank God I'm fly. So shout out to my boy, Kime. That is who designed this for me. So now this is what I would do if I were you and I was designing something. I would show my customers this and ask them what they wanted. So, you're going to be my customer today. I'm asking you, do you like the design on the front or the back? Comment and let me know, you like front or you like back. Now, I sold it with the design on the front because back in the day, I'm not sure if they had the capability for me to put it on the back, but now I'm kind of like, this is cute on the back. I kind of like it on the back. What do you think? Comment below. Let me know. Also, let me know what you think about the black versus the gray. You can definitely see the design more on the black, but gray did used to sell really well for me. And again, this is how I was able to get to $1,000 so quickly. But this is what you want to do with your customers. Ask them, do you like black or do you like gray? And they will clearly tell you. And then when it's time for you to drop your merch, they're going to buy the one that they said that they liked because now they are emotionally involved. All right. Now, here's another thing that I love about Printify is that they have so many ways that AI can amp up your business. Again, this was not like this back in the day, but now Printify is pulling out all the stops. So you can use AI to help you generate a design if you don't have one. And they can also help you to generate your product description, which really sells the product for you, right? People love something memorable and something that stands out to buy, right? So this is what they came up with for me. Faith-based inspirational unisex hoodie. Thank God I'm fly. I would probably put limited edition, something like that on there, right? And then they put all of this product description in there for me, which is also great for SEO, which means that when somebody types in faith-based hoodie, that your product will come up in Google, which is what you want. You want to get as many eyes on your product as possible. So I love that Printify has this capability where they will help you not only with your design, with your products, but they also help you to reach more people by using AI. And it's directly on here. You don't have to, you don't have to leave Printify in order to use it. So we love that. You would actually apply it to your listing. I just went back to the original listing so that you can see what it says, just kind of bare bones, but they still have all of that information in there for you. And you can also include a size chart, which customers love. Here you would go to update your prices. You can do this either here or you can also do it over in Shopify. And you can select all or you can do it one by one. All right. Also, you want to make sure that you already have a Shopify store set up. You can still click the link in my description, which says Shopify to create a store. And then once you're done setting up your product, you are going to take your link from Shopify, which will basically be your store. So let's say thank God I'm fly.myshopify.com, and it will connect your Printify directly to your Shopify store. And then you are up and ready to go and start selling. Now remember, Printify has also merged with Printful. So you have a lot of options when it comes to print on demand and like what you want for your customers, the type of t-shirts, the type of products, all of that, right? So y'all in the game. I didn't have all of that when I started, but y'all are in the game now. So let's get into how I started making the money because I know that's what you really care about, okay? So I started with a shirt that said, I shop Jesus saves. And at this point, I wanted to expand my product line. And again, this is how you scale your business. You have a proven concept. You have customers that want to buy from you. And now you want to resell to the people who have already purchased from you. It's always easier to get somebody to buy from you who has already bought from you. Follow me? So I wanted to resell to the customers that I had already sold I Shop Jesus Saves to and reach new customers, which meant I wanted to expand my product line. So when I got on Printful, I had a Thank God I'm Fly hoodie and I expanded to mugs. I cannot find a Thank God I'm Fly hoodie and shirt, but I still got the mug, okay? So this is how it looks. And on the back, I had a little hashtag. Your girl thought she was doing something, okay? And so I had this design created. I believe a friend created this for me, and I was able to upload it into Printify and put it on the mug, put it on the hoodie, put it on the shirt, and then I did this little fanciness myself directly on Printify, okay? So adding this product along with another shirt and hoodie helped me to elevate my brand quickly to make over $1,000, right? And I love that I was able to continue expanding because then, you know, we had Wake Pray Slay mugs. So if y'all remember Wake Pray Slay, we had the mugs going, we had the show, we had all kind of stuff going on, right? So this was a really great way for me to expand my product line and to make an extra $1,000 quickly on top of what I was making with the t-shirts, right? Now, again, Printify got all kind of stuff on there now. It's home stuff, it's beauty stuff, it's candles, and I've talked about this a lot in other videos, but mugs are still there. This stuff is still here. The things that, for me, my audience, women, would love, having the extra products really, really helped me. So how are we going to do this for you? Number one, I would say if you do not know who you're selling to, if you don't have a niche, if you don't have a target, I need for you to go ahead and watch my other videos and learn how to do that before you start selling stuff, right? I had an audience that I knew what they liked. I knew their voice. I knew the type of stuff that they would actually buy. So that's how you get to the $1,000, the six figures, and $1 million quickly. You got to know your customers. So if you don't, go ahead and watch my other videos, get my marketing workbook, and learn how to learn your customers and speak directly to them, right? If you've already done that, then talk to them. Hear what it is that they are saying to you as far as what they want, right? Ask them questions. What would you like to see for our spring summer drop? You know, make it big. I know you are only you, but they don't know that. You can have a whole team behind you. What do you want to see from our company spring summer, right? And then do your research. I talk about this a lot as well in the other videos, so go watch them. Look to see what people are selling on Etsy. Look to see what is popular. Look to see what people are saying as far as memes and slang. And at the time, everybody was saying slay. Okay, Beyonce to everybody was saying slay. So this was flying off the shelf. This was flying off the shelf because slay was so popular. I even had, for those of you who are real OGs, I even had a hair company called Slade Extensions, okay? I was really capitalizing off of this. And I made this design like on Teespring. And then I had to recreate it to put it on Printify. So let me tell you, looking at what's trending is a quick and easy and fun way for you to make $1,000 over and over and over quickly. But yes, look to see what's on Etsy, look to see what's on TikTok Shop, and then again, still ask, right? Because your audience, it may be trendy to other people, but your audience may be like, I don't like that. So that's how I was able to make slay work for my audience. Wait, pray and slay, okay? They really like to pray because I had a lot of women of faith. So think about how to make things work for you. Some people had some other people had, I can't even remember right now, but other people had different ways of capitalizing off of slay being popular. So find a way to make some of the trendy things that are out right now work for you and work for your brand. And that is how you are going to get to your $1,000 quickly, right? Again, like I said as well, having access to your customers is how you can continue to upsell to them. We also did like packages, so you can get a t-shirt, a mug, and maybe a notebook or something. So you can also do drops in different colors. Thank God I'm Fly came in black, and then we did a drop with gray. So you can also do drops. You can also have seasonal colors. You can have things that are limited edition. You have to go look at other brands, especially big brands. Think about your favorite brands and what actually gets you to buy as a customer, and then you need to start creating that for you as a creator and as a business owner for your customers, right? People love a sale. People love a limited edition item. People love all of that. So all you got to do is put limited edition on the top, and then it's like, we only have 10 of these. Another thing too is be very clear with your goal. So if I want to make $1,000 and I know that my profit for, let me just say a shirt, or no, let's do a hoodie, because thank God I'm fly hoodies have a lot more profit in them. So that's how I was able to get to the $1,000 quickly on Printify. So I think at the time I was selling them for about $38 to $40. I'm just gonna say $40.99 minus, it might have cost, I'm making these numbers up though. Let's say it cost me $18 to make it. So my profit every time I made a sale was $22.99. I would say 1,000 divided by $22.99. Okay, cool. I gotta sell about 44 hoodies to get to my goal. Be very specific on how you're gonna get to your $1,000. If that's 44 hoodies, that's like, how many texts do I need to send a day? How many emails do I need to send a day? How many pop-ups do I need to do? How many events do I need to go to get to my goal? So instead of you just saying, well, I put my shirts up and nobody's buying them, think about other ways to get people engaged, excited, and wanting to buy from you. All right. So hopefully this helps you, because this has helped me and so many others make the money from, you know, t-shirts and mugs and fun things. And Printify has a ton of stuff on there right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have questions, comments, or any of that, drop them down below. My Printify link is down there as well. And if you want to start on Shopify, you can do that as well too. All right. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.